a great time.
We're gonna have an awesome time.
Yeah. So excited.
I'm excited.
Alright, well, we just got done playing mini golf and we all did terrible because it's super windy out, but that was fun. We just sat down to eat. We are actually eating at Guy Fieri's burger joint because he has a location on this cruise. And let's do a taste test. Not bad. That's a big burger. That's good. A few hours later, we got done golfing. Oh, it's still super windy out. And we're dressed up all nice because it's formal night at dinner. And we're outside because we're gonna take pictures, or they're gonna take pictures. The boys are just gonna chill. Crack open a cold one. Table 219. Oh, I was thinking I'm gonna get us some wine.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, cheers. Thank you. Okay. We got jumbo shrimp.
Might as well put another order in.
Yeah, I was about to say it's a little small there. Food was really good. I ended up having some of CJ's steak as well as Tito's prime rib because the portion I got was super small. We're chilling back at the room before we head out, let ourselves digest a little, and we decided to throw something on TV. And look what's on. Whoa. Welcome back, everybody, to the Excellent Podcast. This is the show where we sit down and watch every single episode of regular show and give you a breakdown. She knows it, and I hope you do too. It's funny because one of the last times I was at the airport, I was just sitting at the restaurant and they were showing regular show. It's like the show follows me. Reboot coming soon. And speaking of reboots, look what's on now. That boy ain't right. We just sat down for a Gatsby-themed Broadway show that takes place in the 1920s, and we were originally sat over there, but they invited us to sit at these circle tables and give us complimentary champagne. Cheers! The lighting's better anyway.
I'm sorry.
Oh, hello.
Yeah,
it's a vlog. Awesome.
So we have a few. I feel like the hat would look quite cute on you.
Sure.
That's good.
And maybe that one. What about the bow tie?
I'm gonna, let's vintage pop. I'm gonna go with the bow tie.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
The show.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh.
All right, we're working. All right, so that was an amazing show. Hope you guys enjoyed, but for whatever reason, my SD card stopped working in the middle of the show, and I couldn't record more. This is 64 gigabytes, and I've barely recorded anything on this trip. So I just went to the gift shop, and I got a new 32 gigabyte SD card. That's kind of weird. This SD card lasts me for the entire Madrid trip, as well as
Maybe
Mexico.
we should just, like, give it a break. Like, use this one for tomorrow and then, like, try it again.
It's probably corrupt, but hey, at least I was able to get another SD card.
Tell me more, was it found at first sight? Tell me more. Does he look like a bitch?
First day docked, and we are at Turks and Caicos. I haven't been here in 10 years. The last time I was on a cruise, this is where I went.
I haven't been here in 25 years.
It's her first time. So fun fact, one of my first ever YouTube videos was filmed on a Carnival cruise, and it was also filmed on this island. If you've really been an OG on the channel, you'll remember that video, but it's not a good one. So a not so fun fact, you might be familiar with the Netflix Poop Cruise documentary, where there was a Carnival ship that lost power and all their sewage backed up, and there was like a whole bunch of crap and stuff on the deck, and they had to be rescued. We didn't know that this was actually the cruise ship in which it happened. Our cruise, that's the one. So that's great. We spent the last few hours at the beach, so swimming, and now, what's up guys?
We're cruising, baby!
Cruising! Woohoo! We rented a golf cart and we're just touring the island. There's our ship. I almost fell. Yeah, there's like a donkey in the road. Right there. We took a stop real quick on the golf cart. We went to this Caribbean place. We have beans and rice, regular rice, plantains, that's oxtail, and jerk chicken. Yeah, after that, that's exactly what we needed.
You have to open case number? Exactly.
Let's see what's behind case number 5. $100.
Ooh.
That's all right. We're still good.
Finally got a match. Oh yeah.
Yeah!
Can't have the one explanation. You and I were just meant to be. Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore.
Did I say something crazy? Were you married? Beach chairs, beach umbrella rentals. With somebody to love.
Guys, please, if you want to hear party.
And I need you more than ever.
Dog, I don't even know what's going on. Greg Heffley, I love you.
Please, let's go in the nightclub. Yeah.
Okay.
What a beautiful way to the right way to believe.
Y'all better try to hold up.
What